sweetie, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw George and Mr. Dinosaur from Peppa Pig. Please subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
A head, ears, a body, arms, legs and a pigtail. Head, body, tail, spikes, eyes, arms and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head, a body, ears, arms, legs, a pigtail. A head, a body, a tail, spikes, eyes, arms and legs. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the right side of the paper and draw a small oval. I choose dark pink marker and draw an oval. Then let's draw two dots for nostril, the first and the second. Then let's draw diagonal line on the right side, long diagonal line, and let's draw short diagonal line on the left side. Then let's connect these ends with big U shape, letter U. Oh, I like your letter U. Now let's draw two eyes. And let's draw two circles. The first and the second. Then let's take black marker and draw two dots for pupils. The first and the second. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's take dark pink again and draw big circle for blush on the right side of the head. Big circle. Then let's draw smile or mouth. Small C shape, then big C shape under this shape. Now let's take dark blue marker and draw a body. I start over here under the head on the left side and draw a big U shape. Oh, you're doing great! You drew it correctly. Great job! Let's continue further. Now let's take light pink marker and draw arm. I draw diagonal line, then three short strokes for fingers. The first, the second and the third. Then let's draw legs. I draw short vertical line on the left side, then draw long vertical line on the right side. Then let's draw a pigtail. Draw two letters U on the right side, the first and the second, then connect these ends with small curve over here. Repeat after me. Now let's take dark pink and draw two ears. Let's draw upside down U shapes. The first and the second. Now let's draw
Mr. Dinosaur.
I choose dark green marker and draw sideways letter V over here near the nose. Then let's draw head, body and tail with letter S. On the left side, letter S. Now let's draw small curve under this letter V. Small curve. Then let's draw big curve over here. I start over here, then draw a curve to the down, then to the left, and connect with this end. Now let's draw two circles for eyes, the first and the second. And let's take black marker and draw pupils. 1 and 2. Now let's take dark green again and let's draw arms. Diagonal line and 3 short strokes for fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then let's draw another arm under the mouth. Short diagonal line and 3 strokes for fingers. Then let's draw legs. Vertical line and 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Then let's draw another leg. Diagonal line for leg and 3 strokes for fingers. Now let's add spikes and draw sideways V shape. Now let's add spikes and draw upside down V shapes. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then let's take green pencil and draw teeth. I draw V shapes over here on the top of the mouth and upside down V shapes over here on the bottom of the mouth. Now let's add shoes. Draw 2 black ovals over here.
That's the way to go! You did it! I like your drawing. Now let's color in together. You can choose any color you like.
And let's color it. I choose black for shoes. Then dark pink for blush. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose light pink for head. Then I choose light blue for body, tracing, and coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Then I choose light green for Mr. Dinosaur. Tracing again over here, around the arm, then coloring carefully and accurately.
Wow, your George is so good! I want to see it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!